Hi, it's Amanda here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to import preset into Lightroom. So first, when you come into this screen, you open up Adobe Lightroom Classic. You'll come to this window. You'll have Library, Develop, Map, Book, Slideshow, Print, and Web. And today, we are just going to develop this section to import our preset. So go to Develop. And then you will see in the preset tab, it could be closed like this. So if it's closed, you click on the arrow and you will see all the default preset. And what if you want to import more preset? Here's how to do it. So you open up this tab and then click on plus. Go to import preset. Then you have to locate where you stored the preset. I store them on desktop, so you can see these are all the presets I have. I'm going to import this one, Lily Amanda, black and white presets, volume 1. And I'm just double click and just select it all and just press import. And there you are, you will see Lily Amanda, black and white here. That's the preset that I just imported. That's just super easy, right? What is even more fantastic is if you use Lightroom and also use Adobe Camera Raw, you have the benefit you only need to import once, and both software will have them. They share the same Creative Cloud. Once you import the preset in Lightroom, you will also have them in Adobe Camera Raw. So let me just show you how this works. I'm going to open up Adobe Photoshop to demonstrate to you. Okay, so open up, I'm just going to choose a random photo. You cannot do this without having a photo open. So I'm going to just choose a random photo here because these are my client photos. So I'm going to share with you something I can share. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one I can share. Yeah. Open out the image and I'm just going to filter, Camera Raw filter. That means it will use Camera Raw as a filter. Look at this. It's very handy and also very convenient to use. You can use all these tools in Camera Raw, use it as a filter. So you come to this tab, this one is the preset. So you click on that, you'll see Lily Amanda black and white preset is already here. You see, it's exactly the same. So that's the convenience. Once it goes the same both ways. So if you are a Camera Raw user, you can also import the preset without having to do it twice. Once you install it in Camera Raw, you will also have those presets in Lightroom. So this is how you can import presets into Lightroom. If you are curious about the preset, you can find the Lily Amanda preset in the description. This is a very simple and straightforward tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!